Hi everyone, I'm Anthony, and welcome back to Multiverse. Today, we're unveiling the mystery of 11 dimensions. Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the world we see, beyond our familiar 3 dimensions of space and the flow of time? Today, we're embarking on a mind-bending journey through the 11 dimensions of N-theory, a framework physicists believe might explain the very fabric of existence. For millennia, humanity has sought to understand reality, from ancient atoms to Einstein's relativity, each step revealing a deeper truth. In the 1990s, Edward Witten proposed M-theory, unifying 5 versions of string theory into a single, 11-dimensional framework. Let's start simple, by climbing the ladder of dimensions, step by step, beginning with the most fundamental. The 0 dimension is just a point with no length, width, or depth, simply existing. Connect 2 points and you get the first dimension, a line, allowing movement only forward or backward. Stack lines and you form the second dimension, a flat plane where movement is possible forward/backward and left/right. Add depth and you arrive at our familiar third dimension, where up/down joins the party, creating volume and the world we inhabit. But things get strange when we step into the 4th dimension, time, woven with space into space-time. Imagine our 3D universe as a slice of a 4-dimensional block, where a 4D being could see your entire timeline, past to future, all at once. Now, welcome to the 5th dimension, where hidden dimensions could unify forces or even access parallel universes. Imagine our universe as a sheet of paper, and right next to it, separated by an invisible thickness, are pages of alternate worlds. The 6th dimension offers a map of all possible universes sharing the same Big Bang, allowing you to explore worlds where dinosaurs never went extinct. The 7th dimension contains universes with entirely different initial conditions, perhaps stronger gravity or slower light, each a complete, unique reality. The 8th dimension encompasses all possible timelines within each of those universes, an infinite branching of what-if scenarios. And the 9th dimension? That's the ultimate library. Every possible universe, with every possible law of physics, with every possible history. In string theory, all these dimensions fold into the 10th dimension, a single point of infinity containing all possibilities collapsed into one. But physicists realized there was one more step, leading us to the profound 11th dimension. Here, our entire universe is like a brain, a 3D surface floating in an 11-dimensional ocean, alongside countless other brains. Gravity, unlike other forces, might slip between these brains, explaining why it feels so weak compared to electromagnetism. A mind-blowing possibility is that when brains collide, they might create something like the Big Bang, birthing our universe from a cosmic collision. We can't directly see these dimensions, as our brains evolved for 3D survival, not 11D physics. Detecting them requires indirect evidence, missing energy at the Large Hadron Collider, gravitational wave patterns, or even scars in the cosmic microwave background. If M-theory is true, it changes everything, revealing a universe far bigger, richer, and stranger than we ever imagined. From a single point to infinite possibilities, to an 11-dimensional stage where universes collide, this journey expands our perspective. So, what do you think? Is the 11th dimension real, or a beautiful idea waiting for proof? If this journey blew your mind, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more adventures into the mysteries of science and the universe.